So hey, what's up guys? I'm Nikki and you are watching Technical Nikki YouTube channel. So in this video we will discuss about what are the commands in C programming, okay? So let's get started. In computer programming, a command is a readable explanation for programmer in the source code of C program. Commands are used to making the source code easier to understand for humans, okay? And let's jump to the types of commands. So there are two types of commands in C programming, and single line commands, and then second is multi-line commands. Single line commands means these, if you type these two forward slashes in the starting of a line in the source code, then line will be dead, okay? And multi-line commands means as you type this forward slash and the star in the starting of a line, then all the lines after this line will be commented out or dead lines. And if you close this with the star and the backward slash, between the this forward slash and then star and the between these two symbols, and every text will be commented out or dead, okay? So let's go jump to the practical of the commands. So go to the program. So in the last video we had learned in the previous video how the text gets printed on the output screen, and today in this video we will learn how to use commands within a C programming and what are the commands. So in the last video we will discuss about the printf function, this printf function, how to print the text on the output screen, and in this video we will know how to use command. As I want to type my name Technical Nikki, oh wait, and Technical Nikki, okay, and when I run this program, this will give me an error, okay? As you can see this red line under the technical, it means there is an error in the program because computer can't understand our language, okay? So this will show an error in the terminal, okay? Keep your eye in the terminal bar, and there this will give us an error in the terminal. So please, as you can see, first dot C in function main. In the function main function, Technical Nikki is not readable for the computer. It means there is an error in this program, okay? Technical, and it is undefined symbol or character in the program. So if I commented it out, it means there is no error after comment it out. As you can see, I use the single line command, okay, for that this particular line. As you can see, program has been run completely. Hello Nikki, hey, like my videos, how are you all? And if I type the multiple line command symbol, and as you can see all the lines after this symbol has been dead and the program shows an error, okay? Expected declaration or statement at end of input, okay? So all the lines of this multiple line command symbol has been dead. If I pause it in the end of this first function, printf function hello Nikki, then these two functions has been enabled to read for the computer, okay? As you can see, I run this program again and the first function will not be printed on the output screen, and the other two has been printed on the screen. Hey, like my videos, how are you all? So these two function has been printed and if I use it to till the the all the third parts, and I'm going to single line type single command on these two functions, a deadline or one function, okay? Then the third function will not be printed on the output screen. As you can see, hello Nikki, hey, like my videos, and the third function, how are you all, is not printed on the screen, okay? So this is the use of the program, and you can make your program understandable or readable for the humans. So as I'm going to use single line command functions to print the text or text on the output screen. So it means everyone can understand these three printf function is used to print the text on the output screen. Okay, as you can make a program to understandable or readable for the humans, they can easily understand what is going on in your program. So if I run this program, these three functions will be printed, and this deadline will not be show any error in the terminal. Okay, so if I make the any line dead in the program, it means there is no use of the deadline and there is no error of for this line. Okay, so run this program and we will get these three functions printed, and there will not be an error for this single line. Okay, wait, let me first clear this screen. Okay, and then again run it again. Okay, okay, run it. So as you can see, program has been executed completely and successfully. As you can see, hello Nikki, hey, like my videos, how are you all? These three function has been executed and the deadline is no matter. Okay, I hope you enjoy the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more and never miss an update. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Please support me and bye bye.